Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Today we had a company reach out and offer to send us a mower blade sharpener. Want to know if we'd be interested in doing a review on it and testing it out and seeing how it works. And I said of course. So here we go. I'll show you what we got and do the unboxing and stuff. Alright y'all, the company is GSTP. They do all kinds of automotive and parts and tools and everything else. And so let's see what we got here. So, alright, got us a little instruction sheet. And they did send us the model 550, or sorry, 5500 or 5005. I can really, but there's the instructions. I've already read through them. I've got another sharpener that's very similar to this one. So I know how to use it and put it together, but we'll get it out of the box here and show you guys what we got. So I really like the box that it comes in. My other one didn't come in any kind of a case or anything to store it. So here you got the basic model or basic setup. You got a place here for your blade. Go in, turn this handle, put your blade in, clamp it down. Once we get this thing mounted to the bench, we'll show you more about that. Got a little adjuster knob back here, and this is all these handles are all nice aluminum. And then turn that handle, and you can set your mower blade, your angle, your cut angle, anywhere from 15 to 45. So you know, when you get it tight, you just snug that down, and it holds. This is your arm that your grinder will go onto. Again, we'll show you that here in just a minute. And then it comes with all the mounting and adapter hardware. The pins here for the go on your grinder, and these other couple bolts and nuts are all for getting it mounted on. And they got a nice little stainless steel mount, so you can mount it to your workbench. All different kinds of configurations. It's all in the instructions on how to mount that up. I'm not going to show you that, so let me get this thing, this piece here bolts onto there, or onto there, whichever way. I think it goes on like that. So I'll get that bolted on, and then we'll show you guys how sharpening blades goes with it. All right, y'all. Got it all set up here. You can see first thing you need to do after you put the pin in your grinder is set it up, and you want to set your grinder wheel so that it's centered on your mower blade. So get that out a little bit there. That's pretty well centered right there. And take a wrench. Now the only thing I've noticed so far that is different from my other one is this bushing here has a lot of slop in it. Shouldn't affect the working of the unit, but it's just not used to what I'm used to. So okay, got our angle set. We got it set for 40 degrees. So all you do is take your blade or your grinder, and I like using the 60 grit flap disc, and kind of set it on here, and you want to go from the inside out. So I'm gonna fire it up. It's gonna be noisy, so headphone users, watch out. Alright, like 3 passes there, 4, however many it was, I lost count, but yeah, that puts a really nice edge on it. So yeah, let's flip it over. We're going to do the other side here just to make it even. Grab a grinder. Loosen it up, take it out. Oh yeah, that's a really nice. Now this blade does have a couple notches in it, but we're not going to worry about that because this is just a demonstration blade. So we can come back and, but yeah, easy as that. So yeah, I'm liking this thing. So if you need to do right-handed blades, I got a right-handed blade right here. They even do the right-handed blades. So let me back the camera up so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So give me 1 second. All right, y'all, got it set up here to do the right-handed blades. You flip this thing up like this. And a few passes, nice and sharp. So flip it around. And I know a lot of you are probably saying, you know, oh, you can do a quicker job or better job or whatever, just freehand. And ask any lawn care professional. It's critical to have the correct edge, correct angle on your blade to get a good cut. So, you know. Ooh, another very, very nice cut and edge on there. So there you have it. The right and left-handed blades sharpened up, easy peasy. So yeah, I think this thing works just as good as my other one, the one I paid over twice the amount for. So if you guys want to get yourself one of these, I'll leave a link down in the description. And I know when I looked at it, it was like $80 for this thing. The other one I bought from another company, the original company that come out with this design, I'm not going to say the name of the company, but they're upwards of $200. So $80 or $200. I'm buying the $80 one. The construction feels just as good, just as solid, everything. So yeah. All right, y'all, there you have it. The GSTP Auto Parts Lawnmower Blade Sharpener. Works on right and left-handed blades. Also does mulching blades. If it has the double hump on it. And the way you do that is you just go from your 40 to a 30-degree angle. I think that's what it says in the instructions. I don't have any here. We don't use any of those. But when you sharpen the outside edge at the 40, when you bring it back in, you reset the angle and just, you know, run it like you do the outer edge of the blade. So it'll do both. And this thing is awesome. Like I said, it's just as good a quality besides that bushing, which to me ain't really a big deal. I didn't notice it slopping around when I was using it. But, you know, if it was a little tighter, I'd be a little more happy with it. So, but yeah, there you have it. Link in the description. Please go check one out. And thank you all for watching.